Hey guys, welcome back, or if you're new here, welcome. I'm Brooke. I make travel, DIY, and lifestyle videos. So today we are kicking off another vid. It's about 3 o'clock. So, got up, got ready, showered, all of that jazz. And then I edited and uploaded my last video. Very excited to be getting back into the swing of things, and it's time to kick off another one. So very excited. I haven't really had breakfast or lunch yet. Pretty much I've just been eating cookies all day. I made cookies a couple days ago, chocolate chip, and I baked them perfectly. It was like almost doughy, but cooked through, super soft. And I've been too lazy to actually cook so far. So every time I start getting a little hungry, I eat like 2 more cookies. And then it holds me off for a bit longer. And I'm feeling like it might be time for a little nutrition. I just finished making breakfast. So I made some hash browns and then toasted up an English muffin, bacon, eggs, egg. And then I got a slice of Colby Jack. Last time I made this, I only had shredded cheese, so I was making it with shredded cheese, which was kind of messy. So this time around, I got sliced cheese. However, it's a little big, so we're a little cheesy here, but I'm very excited. It smells bomb. Just finished cleaning up. You would never know anything happened. We're still having significant issues with this plant. I don't understand what's going on. Even the new leaves are starting to crisp up. I don't understand. All the new growth that we have, it starts off super green. Okay, we still have 1 fully green leaf, but I don't understand what's going on. And it feels like every time I look up a solution and I purchase the solution and add it into the soil, it's just not having it. So I don't know if, okay, so these are from Easy Plant, and you put water in here and you're only supposed to water it once a month. However, the water seems to go dry after about 2 weeks. And then if you add in more water, it's almost like you drown the plant because everything, you think this is a lot of brown happening. All of a sudden, within 2 or 3 days, all of them are dying. So I don't know what's going on. The point of getting these pots were to make it easy so that the plants would survive. But this is not working out. It's about 5:30 right now, and I just finished taking care of everything I needed to take care of today. So I have decided I am now gonna work out. I have not worked out in quite some time, and I'm excited to get back into it. I don't think I'm gonna do anything wild today. I think I'm just gonna walk a couple miles on the treadmill over here, and then just kind of call it a day. I've just been kind of sitting and working on the computer and things like that. And walking around the house has been the extent of my physical activity for the past 2 weeks. So it is time. I'm starting to feel like my clothes are fitting a little snug. I've been wearing just workout pants and sweats recently. And then this weekend I put on jeans for the first time, and I was like, oh, things are fitting just a little tighter than usual. So it's time to start eating a little healthier, get a little more active again, get back into my routine. The puppers, per usual, have come to join me. Yeah, because they always think that whenever one of us is in the gym, that clearly we have spare time and the attention it needs to be going to them. That's how they see it. And you're not necessarily wrong. You're really not, huh? Just finished. I did a quick mile, just one. It's the sun's starting to go down, and I want to go throw the ball for the kids because they deserve that. They've been very patient all day because I've been pretty much at my computer, and I feel like they have not gotten quite as much attention or exercise as they need. So I'm gonna go out and throw the ball. Nothing like some quality ball throws. Okay guys, you ready? You ready? Let's go. Let's go. Oh, it's not even all the way. There we go. You ready? You ready? You ready? So it seems like a strategic thing to
have all of your TV shows be ones that you watch with your significant other, because then at night you can always keep up with your shows because you guys both are watching it. However, now Darren is out of town on a work trip. I dropped him off at the airport earlier this afternoon, and all of the shows that I'm watching, we're watching together. Also, I'm sorry about the panting. Sadie girl is right here, they both are. Just panting. Yeah, sorry about the strange background noise. But now I'm realizing I don't have anything to watch. And I've already kept up to date with all of the YouTubers I watch and all the podcasts. So then when it comes to nighttime, when he's not here, I have nothing to watch. So if you guys have any recommendations for things to watch, please let me know. So I've given up. Well, clearly the pups have not given up. They are still here begging for us to go back outside, but the sun has set. We are not going back outside. It is relaxation time. And I'm thinking we might just go with an oldie but goodie, Gilmore Girls. Hey guys, top of the morning. It's the next day and it is a beautiful day. Beautiful, sunny, blue sky day. It is still a little chilly outside, and unfortunately I did just find out that apparently we have another storm coming soon, which is very frustrating. Apparently though, ski resorts are gonna be open through Memorial Day weekend, which is buck wild. That is crazy. Usually, I don't know when exactly they close, but I believe usually it's around March. So the fact that it's going to be open through May is crazy, crazy, crazy. Anyway, that does not affect me. I have not gone snowboarding this year, which I actually do want to go. We've just been so busy that we have not gotten around to it. But anywho, today I am hoping to clean the house. I haven't done some chores in just a little bit. And then I also do need to go to the grocery store at some point. So we have a busy day ahead. So I'm gonna be bringing you guys along for the whole thing, kind of a bit of a week reset, life reset, whatever you wanna call it. But I'm excited to get after it. And yeah, let's get going. So instead of making breakfast, I've decided that I'm going to eat some of what I made last night for dinner, and I will show you what that is. So I made pasta, and then I have cherry tomatoes, broccoli, garlic, lemon zest, and then boiled that. So I created my own sauce and boiled it down with wine and a little bit of chicken broth, and then cooked the noodles in there. So very flavorful, bomb diggity. So I'm just gonna go ahead and eat this for breakfast. You know, I've been having breakfast food for breakfast every day, and I'm ready to switch it up. This really has been one of my favorite things to make. Usually I will make this with chicken breast, and with the chicken breast, I'll put salt, pepper, lemon zest, and then coat it in flour, and then cook it in butter. And then I'll put the chicken back in there towards the end just to cook through just a little more and absorb some of the flavor. And then I'll put it over this. So I was gonna do that yesterday. However, I had ended up freezing the chicken and it was not completely thawed out by the time I was making dinner, but I was already committed with cooking that. So, I mean, even still, it's mostly thawed, but I probably need to thaw that out for a couple more hours. So I'm gonna make something with chicken tonight. I don't know what just yet, but I wanna use it while it's still fresh. I have been so consistent with my new kind of routine and everything to help my skin. So 2 videos ago, I was telling you guys about how since October, I have just been breaking out consistently. Like every few days, it was like a new blemish. And it was like, what is going on? I don't understand. And so I was like, okay, like I wash my sheets every week. I wash my towels every week. Well, I switch out my towels more frequently, but every week I'm doing loads of towels.
And so I was like, nothing is just like sitting there. I wasn't washing my makeup brushes very frequently, but I was like, okay, I'm gonna start becoming even more consistent with all of this. So I started washing my sheets every like 5 days. I started washing my makeup brushes every week. I started switching out my hand towels every couple days because after I wash my face, I dry my face with my hand towel. And ever since I started doing that, well, it's been about a month at this point. And so it was slowly getting better. And now I'm at a point where I think it's been about a week since I had any new breakout. And when I do, it'll be like one new breakout. And so all of this that I'm doing, I'm thinking is greatly contributing towards like the betterment of my skin. So I am so happy. My skin is finally getting to a point that I'm starting to feel confident even without foundation. My skin does take a bit to heal, so there will be, even after a blemish goes away, a mark remains there for, unfortunately, like 2 to 3 weeks. It's very annoying. I heal very slowly. So I do still have some like little like light marks that are mostly healed. But other than that, like my skin is looking really good and I'm feeling very, very happy about it. So I have not showed you guys, but when I wasn't vlogging, I organized our hallway closet, which is our pup closet. So, well, down here I have some like backup duvet, blankets, pillows and stuff. And then we have all of their toys, different seasons and all kinds of stuff. It goes pretty far back. Yeah, we have a lot of new toys for them. And then these are all of like new balls and stuff. Snacks, this is a giant box of pig ears. It makes a lot more sense to buy them in a large pack, like bulk. And then their little ball gun. And then here we have all their like poop bags, training bags, little accessories, their soft cone, their different leashes and harnesses. And then those are different types of leashes that like wrap around your body. And then their collars, this is like all of their like grooming stuff. And then these are like tracking devices and stuff that we can put on them when we take them places that, like when we go to Tahoe and stuff, and they're like GPS trackers. So haven't opened them up yet, but we do have them. These are all of their many bandanas. A couple more over here. These are also bandanas, and then some Halloween costumes. They're little booties and stuff like that. And then up here are all of their little PJs, sweaters, scarves, raincoats, all of that stuff. So I have reorganized their little pup closet, and I got rid of so much stuff in here. You guys, this is 3 days of not vacuuming. Like look at all of this and all over there. And that's just some of it. That's just what has been collected under this particular table. Yeah, these dogs shed like crazy. I know I've said it in several of the videos recently, but like golden doodles, whoever said they don't shed is just wrong. All right, guys, I'm gonna show you something crazy. I'm gonna vacuum. So as you can see, I just emptied the little container thing on my vacuum. So let me show you like what we're working with in the hair department, because it is crazy. Okay guys, the battery died before I even finished the master. So this is just the main areas and about 3/4 of the master. Do you see this? I mean, it is completely full and it is primarily dog hair. So the washer's finishing. And I went to get the towels out of the dryer and everything is just like vibrating. It's kind of calming down now, but it was like, whoa. I have migrated downstairs. I'm doing 2 miles on the treadmill to get my movement in because I'm really trying to at least get back into a routine with that. I mean, I'm not gonna reach any of my fitness goals with just 2 miles every day, but at least I can be a bit healthier because I feel like I have really been dropping the ball with just general movement, and I want to make sure I'm, keeping myself healthy. So I finished my 2 miles, feeling great about that. And then I was going to go to the grocery store. However, Darren called me when I was on the treadmill, and one of his meetings happening tomorrow got postponed for a day. So now he's coming back a day later. And I'm like, you know what? I do have enough food for today. I have enough food for tomorrow. And then he comes back. So I don't know that I want to go to the store, buy more veggies, more fresh meat, and have them start to, you know, age out when it's just me eating it. You know, I have enough food here to sustain me. So I think I'm going to postpone grocery shopping till tomorrow or Thursday. I think that just makes more sense because I don't want to waste food, and we've been doing really good about actually eating what we purchase. Bed is all made. The duvet cover is still in the dryer. So once that's done, then I will put the duvet back in there and throw that on the bed. And then my hand knit blanket has made a reappearance, and now we're just kind of draping that along the edge because it goes to the color scheme now. So that's nice. It's been sitting in the closet for the past few months, so I'm really happy he's getting out and about because I was really proud of this. I just got back in from throwing the ball for the pups outside, and oh my gosh, it is so cold outside. It is so cold. So I'm very happy to be back inside. And I've decided that it is time to start winding down. So I'm probably just gonna eat some leftovers tonight and watch more Gilmore Girls. I love that show. It's definitely one of those like nostalgic feel-good shows for me. And it just like brings me back to a time when I was first watching it and just feeling very like calm and happy. And so every time I do watch it, like brings me back to that. So I'm really enjoying that, and it's definitely helping me because I hate being home alone. And Darren, every time he goes on a work trip, it's like the worst days of my life because, I mean, one, I miss him like crazy. I really dislike being apart. And then also, I hate being alone. Like I can be alone during the day, that doesn't bother me, but being alone at night, I am a very, very paranoid person. Every little sound, I'm like someone is breaking into the house. Someone is already in the house. Like, this is how I die. That is just like on repeat, the thoughts that go through my head. I am a very paranoid person. So despite the fact that we live in a safe area, we have like an alarm system and stuff, like it doesn't matter. I am just forever feeling like I am about to die. So watching Gilmore Girls and like keeping me calm is like the best thing for me right now. And now the fact that his trip has been extended another day. Oh my gosh, I didn't even go to bed till almost 3 a.m. yesterday because I was in bed at a proper time. But I just kept hearing sounds and being like, someone's in the house. I'm like, oh, okay, no, we're fine. And like, okay, I have to go make sure the doors are locked. Like, it's terrible. It's so terrible, guys. And like checking our alarm app and like, okay, none of the doors have opened. But what if like a battery died and it didn't register or opened? Like, it is bad, you guys. It is so bad. But anyway, so I'm gonna start my winding down because I am so tired from not really sleeping, and I really want to get some good sleep tonight. So anyway, that was a long way of saying I'm gonna end the video here. So thank you guys again so much for watching. If you haven't already, don't forget, subscribe below, gives you a big thumbs up, and don't forget to tune in just a few days for the next video because we are keeping with the routine. We are back into it. So thanks again so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.